Oh my god! Calm down, Sarah. It's this one. And if you're interested in hairstyling like me, you know what this is. Wow! Okay. Guys, this is my first 100% real human hair wig. So, what else do they have in their package? Look at this. It's full. Also full with some presents, I guess. So here we have some pins or bangs. I mean, I guess it's for security. Then, what else do we have? Thank you for choosing E-litchi hair. Then we have this headband. Oh, it looks beautiful. Oh no, it's a crunchy. Crunchy? Is it called like that? Crunchies are a little bit chingy. But no, it's fine. I will try it. They also sent me wig caps with some bobby pins and some elastics. Okay, so I have to try this wig on. I would say let's give it a little try. What would you say? I mean, I don't care what you say. Sorry. Anyways, I have here an old wig cap. So, wig cap is on. Okay. Okay. So, this wig is protected with this little net. I would call it like that. This one, and I have to take it off first. Like a fishnet. So, and I'm also going to show you how it's going to look like inside. It has this lace in front, then in the back those secure things here, and you also can make it a little more tight if you have a small head like me but a big brain. And guys, look at this hairline. It's already pre-plucked and it looks very natural to me. They also have side parted. This one is center parted. I don't know if it's right set. But I choose this one because I think a middle part is a little bit more trendy right now. Yeah, that's why I use the middle part wig. And it feels so soft. It really feels, you really can feel it's real hair. It is definitely real hair. It's getting a little bit thin here in the ends, but I think this makes this wig looking very natural. Not everybody is blessed like me with a lot of hair, and if you wear long hair like this, that you still have thick ends, you know. Yeah, so let's try it on with the lace on. Oh. Wow. Okay. Let's check the part on over the ears, because I already ordered some. I already have some experience with wigs, and they mostly don't go over my ear right here. So you can also wear this hairstyle like this behind your ears. Oh yeah, it is possible. I love this wig. I love this wig. Oh my god. Oh my god. I have nothing to say. I love it. Oh my god, I look so good. I'm so pretty. Jo, das gibt's nicht. It looks so good. Oh my god, I can't. Yeah. So guys, let me make sure to make it fit, and wish me luck to be able to put it on the right way and take some beautiful pictures. Yeah. Oh, wait. Look at the back part. They also have some lace at the back part for for making ponytails with this wig. The lace in the back, and if you put it up, you can see there's some shorter hair. So it looks natural when you wear a ponytail.
Let it go. 얼어붙어 like whoa. 띵하고 어지러워. I see. 한여름에도 넌 겨울. Yeah, girl, cold-blooded. Yeah, 너와 있을 때 I swear. 제가 온도 zero. 폭설한 기출들. 꿈에도 I wasn't aware. 나만 빼고 넌 모두에게 참 친절해. 내 신감이 들어 단판이 돼도 머릿속을 흔드니 ibuprofen 그만해 it's time to stop. 승부욕을 자극하는 style. Yeah, 알면서도 마음이 자꾸 내게 가. 안만 빠져버릴까. If you want me back, I'll tell you I'm sorry. If you want me back, I'll tell you stop trying. Yeah, you got me. Let it go. 얼어붙어 like whoa. 띵하고 어지러워. I see. 한여름에도 넌 겨울. Yeah, girl, you're cold-blooded. Yeah, girl, you're cold-blooded. Yeah. Girl, you're cold-blooded. Girl, you're cold-blooded. I'm like frozen 뭐야 모든 스트레스는 gotta let it go 했어. 소개팅 데이팅 어플 다 깔아 또 보았어. 반대가 끌린대. Opposites attract. Don't know about me and you, yeah we fell into the cracks. Yeah 깎고 너네 no cap. 왜 난 안 보여 what's happening. 객관적일 수가 없이 이미 game white flag and wave it fast. Yeah I'm leaving back but 말은 don't 너만 보면 나도 내 맘 I don't know 이거 love baby.
So, and this is how I look like right now. I already washed it and I already styled it, so I had some time to gain some experiences with this hair. So I noticed that's real Indian hair, and the quality, I mean guys, it looks like it's so real. I mean, it's so amazing. I have to put on the right dress and style myself a little bit more to this wig.